Managing our litter box for our cat has been a challenge for us, and we are very excited to have this stainless litter box to try out. So thank you to the company for sending us this. One of the things that this does really well that I'm super excited about is I call it the lift and sift. So you have two layers on this, one inside the other. And when you lift up, one layer has all of these holes. So that if you have a dirty litter box, you can simply lift it up, shake it, and it'll sift all the clean litter down to the bottom and leave you with the stuff you want to get rid of. So then you take the top off and you can dump that out. So in order to reset the clean litter back into the top, you can use this bag. So it's a nice bag. It's made out of plastic, so it's very durable. I like that they've given it a nice stiff round top. The clean litter goes in there. You put this back down on top, and then the clean litter goes back in. Also included with it is this step, and it has perforations in it and a catch in the bottom. So as your cat uses the litter box, sometimes they get litter on their paws. When they step out, it's gonna come off and go down into here. They also do include with it a nice scoop, and they give you a nice holder too, which makes it easy to store. Another feature of this is that it's stainless. That helps kind of control the odors. They're not going to soak into any plastics. It is also round, so there's no edges or corners for stuff to get stuck in. So this litter box also is extra large, so there's plenty of room for your cat to come in and turn around and move. So it's a good size litter box. It also has a nice lip on the end for them to kind of put their paws up and enter and exit, which also has holes in there so that as they're stepping on this, the extra litter will again fall back down inside the litter box. Now we're going to put it to use to see how the cat likes it.